Hi guys, welcome to Ajio Fashion Haul. How are you guys? I'm good. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, today is a very special video, and this is a new flat of my sister. This is a 3 BHK flat, and I just want to make a empty house tour of this flat. And still some pending works are there in this flat, and some doors, kitchen platform, and tap and a few other works are still pending, even though I just want to make a empty house tour of this flat. Yeah, let's cello and do the complete house tour. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get notifications when I upload the video. Please like and share this video to friends and family members.
This is the main entrance of the apartments, and you can see still works are going on, and all these are the blocks, and we are going to the first block. Yeah, and here comes the swimming pool on the left side. Yeah, here comes the swimming pool, and after complete of construction, I'll make another video and I'll upload it in my channel. So stay tuned to my channel. Yeah, this is the lift, and now we are going to the 8th floor. The flat which we are going to see is in 8th floor. Yeah, this is the lift, and now we are entering into the corridor of the 8th floor. Yeah, this is the lift, and after that, this is the flat we are going to see now. Yeah, this is the entrance of a flat. This is the main door, and now you can see the view from the main door. Yeah, this is the view, and this is the corridor.
Yeah, this is the main door, and this is a complete wood door. And welcome into the house. Yeah, this is the main entrance. This is a hall. This is a common hall, and yeah, you can see the hall, entire hall. And this is one window, and here is a big window on one side. Yeah, you can see the window, and all these are sliders. There are some works pending on this house, so there is one more window on the hall, second window on the hall. Yeah, this is a complete hall. You can see the hall here, big size hall. And this is the dining hall. Yeah, that one is main hall, and this is dining hall. Yeah, you can see this is a complete dining hall. And in hall there is a common common washroom. This is a common washroom. This is a 3 BHK flat, and in 3 BHK we have 3 bedrooms and 2 inner bedroom bathrooms, and this is the common bathroom. Yeah, you can see this is a common washroom. Yeah, and this is a dining area, and this one bedroom, this is a master bedroom. This is a master bedroom, which is attached to main hall. Yeah. This is the door of the master bedroom. Now you can enter into the master bedroom. This is the main master bedroom. You can see here, and this is the washroom of the main bedroom. This is an attached bathroom for main bedroom. Sanitary and pipes and taps work is pending. And here, this is a dividing place of each flat. You can see the space here. Between every flat there is a space. This is a bedroom, and we will go for the next bedroom. And this is the dining hall, and this is the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And this is the window on the second bedroom. Same size windows on first bedroom and second bedroom. Same sizes. This is the second bedroom, and this is the attached bathroom for the second bedroom. Yeah, you can see the second bathroom. puja room, which is attached to the dining hall. This is the dining hall and this is the puja room. This is small space for puja. This is the main balcony which is attached to the dining hall. After dining hall, these are the sliders and we can enter into this balcony. This is the balcony. This is the flooring. Flooring is different in balcony and in the house and in the flat. You can see the floor of the balcony. And the view from the balcony, you can see the view. This is the view on 4 sides. This is one balcony. We have 3 balconies all over. One in the kitchen and one in the dining room and another one in the third bedroom. They had another balcony. Let's come to the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom, which is attached to the puja room and the second bedroom. This is the second bedroom and this is the puja room. Now this is the third bedroom. We are entering the third bedroom. Yeah, this is the third bedroom. And this is the window. After immediately entering into the third bedroom, this is the window. And this is small window and compared to second bedroom windows. Yeah, this is window. All these are sliders which are very easy to maintain and yeah, you can see the window. Yeah. And this is the third bedroom and in third bedroom we had one balcony. These are the sliders for the balcony. And we will enter into the balcony.
And this is the overall view of the third bedroom. You can see this view from the balcony of the third bedroom. Yeah, this is the overall view of the third bedroom. You can see the window and this is the balcony sliders, and this is the door of the third bedroom.
And this is the third bedroom. I showed the full view of the third bedroom and now we are entering into the kitchen. It's an open kitchen, so you can see the complete kitchen. This is the open type of kitchen. This is the kitchen area. The platform is not completed, so here we get the platform is here. Here is an L-shaped platform, and I don't know how it done after interiors. Yeah, at present this is the kitchen. You can see one side of the kitchen. Yeah, and this is the other side, and the window of the kitchen. And this is another door for the kitchen. This is a wash area of the kitchen. Let's enter into the wash area. This is the wash area of the kitchen. This is the wash area. And yeah. This is a triple bedroom in the 8th floor, and it has almost 4 towers, and this is the first tower, and it is almost 80% of the construction work is completed, and some pipes and sanitary work is not yet completed, and the platform in the kitchen is not yet completed. Sanitary works are pending, and after all this completion of work and all the interiors are done, I made another video and I uploaded in my channel. This is a complete house tour of my sister's new flat. I hope you definitely enjoy this video, and if you have any more doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I think you definitely love this video. If you watch my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video to friends. family members. And please forgive me for this horrible sound, because there is a complete empty house, because there will be definitely some noise will be there, and this is a construction area, so some work is still going on in some of the flats. Yeah, so please excuse me for that. That's it for today's video, guys. Please share your comments that how you like this empty house tour. And if I'll receive more comments, then I'll definitely make after interiors, I'll make another new video and I'll upload it in my channel. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you definitely enjoy this video. Keep smiling, stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in the next video.